Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be making a simple crochet beanie in the size 1 to 3 years. So I'm using this acrylic yarn, which is the same as Red Heart Super Saver, a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle and a measuring tape. To start, make a slip knot. And chain 5. Okay, once you have your chain of 5, you just want to slip stitch to the first chain that you made so it makes a loop. Okay, once you've made your loop, we're going to chain 2. And we're going to make 14 double crochets in the center of the loop. So yarn over, go into the center, yarn over and pull through. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, so you just want to repeat that until you have 14 double crochets, not including this chain 2. Okay, once you've done your 14 double crochets, just pull the tail tight so it closes in that hole, and you want to slip stitch to the first double crochet that you made. So your chain 2 is here, and you just want to slip stitch in the top of the first one. Okay, so from here on out, every chain 2 counts as a stitch. So we're going to chain 2. Okay, so that's your first stitch. And we're going to make a double crochet in the same stitch as your chain 2, so just underneath. And in every stitch, we're going to make a double crochet increase. So a double crochet increase is just 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So you have 1 in there, and then you go back in and make another one. Okay, so if you do that in every stitch, you should increase from 14 to 28. Okay, so remember at the end of this row you should have 28 stitches. Once you're finished, we're going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. So there's your chain 1 and 2. Okay, to start the next row, we're going to chain 2. And we're going to make 1 double crochet in the same stitch as the chain 2. One double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so you have 3 double crochets so far. So the pattern all the way around is going to be 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet until you get all the way around. So at the end of this row you should have increased from 28 to 42. So 1 double crochet increase in the next stitch. One double crochet by itself in the next stitch. Okay, so just repeat that pattern all the way around. 1 increase, 1 double crochet, 1 increase, 1 double crochet, okay, so I'll just quickly finish this row and then I'll come back and show you how to start the next one. Okay, so here's how it looks at the end. So I finished on 1 double crochet by itself because we started with an increase. So slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. For the next row, chain 2. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch as the chain 2. Okay, so that's your increase, and then make 2 double crochets, 1 in each stitch. Okay, so the pattern for this row is 1 increase, 2 double crochets, 1 increase, 2 double crochets. Okay, so there's my increase and then 2 double crochets, just 1 in each stitch. At the end of this row, you should have increased from 42 to 56. Okay, so just repeat that pattern all the way around and I'll show you how to start the next row. Okay, so I'm just at the end of that row now. So just 1 increase and finish on 2 double crochets. So you should have increased to 56. Slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. For the next row, chain 2. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch as your chain 2. And then we want to double crochet 27. So just 1 in each stitch. Okay, once you've done your 27 double crochets, make a double crochet increase in the next stitch. And then make 27 double crochets, just one in each stitch again. Okay, once you're at the end of that row, just slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. Okay, so at the end of that row, you should have increased from 56 to 58 because we only made an increase here and down here. Okay, for the next row, chain 2. And then we're going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, so you're going to repeat that all the way around, and you're going to repeat that row until your beanie is about 9 inches from the center. Okay. So you just chain 2, 1 double crochet in each stitch, and when you get to the end, slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. Okay, so I'll finish my rows and I'll come back and show you how it looks. Okay, so here's how my beanie looks at the end. So it is about 9 inches. So we started with 5 rows. And then for the length, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rows. And then it is just over 8 inches. So it's about 16.5 inches around. Okay, so there's enough room to fold it up if you like. And then all you need to do is slip stitch to the top of the chain 2, cut your yarn, and then you just need to hide the 2 tails inside the hat. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.